Hey guys, meet to our morning walkers. So छोटा kids, मुस्तफा भाई, रमेश भाई, बड़े दो भाई और नारायण भाई waiting for और शिव कुमार and Mama Srinu. Hey, what's up everyone? This is your RX Raider here and we have something unboxing in outdoor. ఇగో మామని అయితే కలవండి గైస్. పొద్దున్నే ఇక ఇంత పెద్ద పొట్ట పెంచుకొని అయితే వాకింగ్కే వస్తుంటాడు. అండ్ మళ్ళీ బ్రేక్ఫాస్ట్ చేస్తే మామూలుగా తింటాడు, ఘోరంగా తింటాడు. 10-15 దోశలు అండ్ ఒక జొన్న రొట్టె మాత్రం గట్టిగేస్తాడు మావాడు. చూడండి సైజ్ అయితే చూడండి మావాడిని. సో అడుగుతుండు మావాడు ఈ రైడింగ్ జాకెట్ వర్త్ ఎంత అని. సో కాసేపట్లో చెప్తా అండ్ కాసేపట్లో చూపిస్తా. వరుసకు బాబాయ్ అవుతాడు, గణేష్ గజ ది ఏమంటారు రాజాపూర్ మండల యూత్ ప్రెసిడెంట్, కాంగ్రెస్ సైడ్ నుంచి అనమాట. సో ఇక మీరు వెళ్ళొచ్చు, నేను అన్బాక్సింగ్ చేసుకుంటా. బై ది బెస్ట్. Guys, I already told you I was ordered 10 days before and I got this delivery 3 days before, I think 3 days before. So guys, I didn't unbox it, so it's right time to unbox it. Sexy riding jacket. Let's talk about Amazon parcel box. The parcel box looks like very dirty, as you can see here. Maybe it's transport problem. The box is wrapped with Amazon Prime stickers and some billing stickers also there. We don't have any knife to unbox it, so we have RX key. We should use RX key to unbox it. So guys, let's get started unboxing. I already told you this is an transport problem. So guys, as you can see, DSG logo here and GP series and something sticker here. This is our riding jacket. So ఇది తర్వాత అయితే చూద్దాం మనం. And we got this bag, carry bag I think. I think this is empty one. పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ బేస్ లేయర్ అనమాట ఇది. సో ఇది ఫస్ట్ అయితే అన్బాక్స్ చేద్దాం దీన్ని. స్మూత్, ఇది తర్వాత వేసుకొని చూద్దాం. సో దిస్ ఇస్ డేజీ బ్రాండింగ్ లోగో. సో వీ కెన్ వియర్ లేటర్. Wow guys, look at this fabric quality. It's look like very sexy and it's not too heavy. Wow. Let's unzip it. And this is a sticker. There is a sticker which is price mentioned as you see 16,500. There are proper branding logo on chest and sleeves. Duraflex stretch panels on sleeves, back and chest for comfort and airbag comfortability. This is DSG. Microfiber leather inserts on sleeves and racing hum for added protection. Let's wear it. Oh, seriously guys. It's amazing. We got 2 pockets. Guys, you can see here fixed TPU shoulder and elbow sliders for reinforced impact resistance. As you can see, reflective panels and sleeves and back for enhanced night riding visibility. As we have adjustable zipper and it's very comfortable. And this is DSG logo. You can see this is pan connection, and here this is washing instructions. 100% polyester. Hand wash in warm water. Do not dry clean. Do not iron. Do not tumble dry. This is water resistant pocket. I didn't see this pocket. It was very securely. And as you see, we have 2 pockets from right side and left side, and adjustable straps both sides, and here adjustable hand straps. Like if you want tight, you can tight it. If you want loose, you can leave like this. It has 3D air mesh panels and strategically placed ventilation zone for maximum airflow. Guys, it has polyester mesh inner lining for breathability and during long rides. Guys, we have warranty valid for 6 months from date to invoice for manufacturing defects only. I think there is no manufacturing defects in this jacket. Valid for 6 months from date on invoice for manufacturing defects only. Manufacturing defects includes stitching coming apart due to material defect, tearing of product due to material defect. So it has many reasons. So let's see. Wait for 6 months. If any defects, I will let you know. Guys, I am wearing M size jacket. My height is 5'10" and I am around 65 to 70 kgs. It fits so good. Alright guys, I am very impressed with this jacket. DSG has done a great job with this jacket. Premium feel, solid protections and good airflow. I can't wait to test it on our RX wheelie practice, and I will share my opinion.